You know what? I am so tired of seeing amazing educators leave the profession, not because of the kids, but because their spirit is literally weighed down from all the mess. And that's the truth. So I'm going to start doing what's called school spirit because I think that's what we need. We need to start focusing on the spirit of the educator. And when we're talking about the spirit of the educator, we're talking about how they feel in the inside because we seem not to care. We seem not to understand that light, that resilience, that empowerment directly impacts students, directly impacts achievement. So we're going to start having school spirits every second Wednesday starting on October the 8th. And I want to see you there. Only 15, 20 minutes. You can turn it on, listen while you're picking up your kids or while you're cleaning up your classroom or whatever. I just want to pour into the educators that I know got into this profession because they care. They want to see change. They love their kids. And I just need to help them to hold on and have strategies to hold on and uplift them. I know that it's difficult, but sometimes we just need to pump ourselves up during these trying times. I believe things are going to shift. I'm working on it. I'm working on it on many levels. And I hope that within these school spirit opportunities that people that have more power than me, that are sitting in the boardrooms, that are sitting in the political arenas, can help be a change agent as we move toward remembering the spirit of the educator and why it's so important to the achievement of the student. So I hope to see you in school spirit, October the 8th. Sign up, 15, 20 minutes of a live webinar, but you can just listen. It's just about getting some encouragement. It's just about feeling uplifted and supported and reconnecting to something that's bigger than the data, something that's bigger than the tests, that impact that you're going to make from your life by being a teacher. Take care. I'll see you soon.